you know what is and how to use kelp meal? Whether you are growing indoors or outdoor plants, the one element you want to see is healthy plants. With organic farming practices growing more popular, it's paramount you get acquainted. Organic farming is successful with the use of safe organic fertilizers. One such fertilizer is kelp meal. It contains beneficial nutrients that all plants need. It is one of the safest fertilizers with no additives or harmful compounds. Simply ground seaweed. Let us learn how to use kelp meal as fertilizer on houseplants or foods. What is kelp meal? Kelp meal comes from dried seaweed. The seaweed is brown in color, a type of marine algae. It is a rich product of the ocean, dried, and then pulverized into a meal product and used as a fertilizer. This organic fertilizer is sustainable. It enhances healthier plant growth as well as promotes fruit and vegetable yields. It contains plentiful benefits for different varieties of plants. You can thus adopt it as a staple in your gardening journey. This seaweed fertilizer comes in 3 forms: extract, cold-pressed liquid, digested liquid forms. What nutrients does kelp meal contain? Kelp meal is a proven choice of organic fertilizer. It delivers nature's excellent supply of the world's finest nutrients. It contains macronutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They are present in small amounts that are not harmful to the plants. It also gives sufficient vitamins, amino acids, and over 60 traces of micronutrients. It preserves your soil's microorganisms. It does not kill worms and other small insects that provide other nutrients to the soil. How to use kelp meal and its application rate. Kelp meal can either work on its own or with other fertilizer blends. It is such a forgiving organic fertilizer to use in your garden because you cannot overdo it. It is only added multiple times in a year. Its nutrients dissolve much slower than other types, making it last longer. Depending on the size of your garden or style of gardening, you will need to know how much to apply for best results. This is a general guideline to guide you on the application rate. Outdoor vegetable garden beds, use 1 to 2 pounds per 100 square feet. Mix with the top 3 inches of the soil for better absorption. Apply it once or twice during long growing cycles. When transplanting seedlings, use 1 teaspoon per hole, mix with soil and water. To feed growing plants, side dress with 2 teaspoons per plant once or twice per growing season. House plants, use 1 tablespoon per gallon of soil once or twice per year. Takeaway. Kelp meal not only contains a surplus of micronutrients, but it's also affordable, giving you value for your money. With the nutrients absorbing slower than usual, it means a little goes a long way. Just like drinking your coffee from a coffee cup then switching to a drinking straw. You enjoy every sip for longer. Now you know how to use kelp meal as fertilizer. Try it on your plants and enjoy an organic garden. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.